Okay, continuing with the small tasks that we left behind and having a colorful triangle, we can now explore the color blending stage. This is one of the fixed steps of the graphics pipeline. It is the step that blends the object with the already rendered parts of that frame. Here, at the pipeline creation, we had this color blend attachment, and we can now enable the blend. And to blend an object with the background, we need to send some options. The source is our blend object or the triangle. So we set the source to be blended as much as its alpha value indicates. And for the frame, we set the rest, which is 1 minus the alpha of the source. And then the blend operation that we aim for is to add these values together. We'll not blend the alpha itself, which you might want to do if you have several transparency layers. So for the source alpha, it will be factor of 1, and for the destination alpha, it will be a value of 0. And the operation is add again. It will just result in a value of 1 anyway. Now, if we go to our hard-coded color values in the vertex shader, we can set this value for the green to be almost transparent. And if you run the project, you will see that it is darker, since it blends with the black of the background. If you set it to 0, you will see that it gets blended to black instead. I'll now return the value to its original. And this is how transparency is rendered and how the color blend stage works.